Hello. So this is spaghetti. Sauerkraut is busy cooking. So this is December 5th, and this is Plaza Grande in Patzcuaro. And tonight is the bell concerts with the churches, but this has been all decorated for Christmas. It's about 11 o'clock or so, and I'm just going to take a little walk around and show you the plaza. So apparently this weekend is a significant religious weekend, and here they're getting ready. They're already got a couple of the streets blocked off. All the vendors are setting up. So you got the Christmas music and the big Christmas tree in the background. So there's the fountain. I guess they got the actual fountains shut off, but you can see all these figures for Christmas. And I'm going to cut across here. They have the there's the presepio. Here's what they call it in Italian. That's the, it's going to be set up there. They're not finished, so they're still working on it. You can see you can see the sheep, which is, let me give you a close up. Super cool. They all this is like done out of wicker and cloth, so and we'll take a little walk over here. You got the I guess the Three Kings and the you'll see the camels here in a minute. So all handmade. I mean, just look at these camels, and you got to check out the elephant. That's here. I'll stop in a second. You can see it's all weaved together. And we'll go up to the elephant, and this is all covered with Spanish moss, and you can see the scaffolding where they're still working on it. But see the Spanish moss, and I guess there's other Christmas trees going there, and there's the main Christmas tree that they light up. And we'll be seeing much more of this as Christmas arrives, because they have a lot of festivities here. They have dancers and musicians, and quick view of Plaza Grande getting ready for Christmas. So and turn this around. So anyhow, this is Plaza Grande, Patzcuaro, and I hope everyone's having a good Christmas season. And there's a little button down here, a little red button. Go ahead and click and subscribe. We'd appreciate that. All right, thank you so much. See you soon.